Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Gumtree account. Whether you're taking a break from buying and selling or simply want to close your account, this process is straightforward and I'll walk you through each step. First, open your browser and head over to Gumtree.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your email and password ready, as you'll need to be signed in to access your account settings. After logging in successfully, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the menu option. Click on Menu, and from the drop-down that appears, select My Details. This section is where all your personal account information and settings live, giving you full control over your Gumtree profile. Once you're in the My Details section, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Take your time scrolling through, as there might be quite a bit of information displayed. What you're looking for is a section labeled Account. This is where Gumtree keeps all the important account management options, including the one we need for deactivation. Under the Account section, you'll see an option that says Deactivate My Account. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where Gumtree will ask you to provide feedback about why you're leaving. It's a standard procedure that helps them improve their service, so don't be surprised by this step. From the options presented, choose the reason that best matches why you're deactivating your account. Once you've made your selection, click on Send Deactivation Email. This is a crucial step because Gumtree wants to verify that it's really you making this decision, so they'll send a confirmation email rather than deactivating immediately. Now it's time to switch over to your email inbox. Open your email provider, whether that's Gmail or another service you use. You'll need to wait a moment for the email from Gumtree to arrive. It should come through fairly quickly, but if you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case it ended up there. Once the email appears in your inbox, click on it to open it. Inside, you'll find a button or link that says Deactivate Your Account. Click on this to finalize the process. This final click confirms your decision and officially deactivates your Gumtree account. And that's it. Your Gumtree account is now deactivated. You've successfully completed the process and your account is no longer active on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.